My turn.
Come on down. Oh. You gotta get out, Maeve. You gotta clear the way, Mavie. Slide etiquette. Yes, there is another step just on the other side of that platform.
What, Maeve?
Are you gonna go around and go back down?
Okay. My turn, Mom.
Yes, it is. Go ahead. Good job.
I can fly my butt to 3 on 2.
Who's here? Hi, Juliet. How are you?
Over here.
Over here, over here. Hi, Donovan.
A much better greeting than last Wednesday or Friday.